This is a 2014 thereabouts model Vauxhall Mokka with the tyre pressure monitoring light on. What we're going to do, nice and simple, we're going to check the tyre pressures first. The first thing we're going to do is see what pressure we're actually going to use, because there's three settings on these. There's eco, there's low and there's high. So we're going to use the set clear button on the end, the arrow for rotating and the menu button. So we're going to start menu, then we're just going to flick through the rotating thing, and there we go, eco tyre load. So we're on the eco setting, so we'll set those to the eco load, and then once we've done that, scrolling through again, tyre learn, and then at the end of tyre learn I'm going to press the set button. First thing I'm going to do is the pressures. Now with the tyres set, same again, menu, I'm going to go tyre learn, because you can scroll through, we're on eco load. So we'll go to tyre learn, press the set clear button, and there we go, beep beep, it's already held it, learned it, sorry, and then simply menu back to the dash, and the light's gone out. Scroll through, light comes on, light goes out, code 16. That means you've got a brake light out, offside, driver's side, if you're right-hand drive. Okay, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.